So let us look at some questions. So in this question, you're given that ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and bx square plus cx plus a is equal to 0 have a common root. If that is so, what is a cube plus b cube plus c cube by abc? So there is a straightforward way of getting the answer, and we'll also look at the process by which we get the answer. So first, on observing these equations, you can very clearly see that x equal to 1 is the common root for these two equations. So if you put x is equal to 1, you're getting a plus b plus c is equal to 0, and if you put x is equal to 1 here, a plus b plus c is again equal to 0. That means if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then these two equations have 1 as a common root. So I'm looking at a special case. So if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then these two equations have 1 as a common root. So if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, we know that a cube plus b cube plus c cube has to be equal to 3 times abc. Hence, the answer I am expecting is 3. The answer I am expecting is 3. But this is not a complete process. I'm just taking a special case. So in this question, you're given that these have a common root. But it's not said that 1 is the common root. So, but to get the answer, you can assume 1 as the common root and see what a cube plus b cube plus c cube by abc is. It's turning out to be 3. Now, let us try to do this using the process that we have derived. So if these two equations have a common root, then alpha square alpha 1 a b c b c a, right? So the condition is nothing but, so corresponding to alpha, you get a square minus bc. A square minus bc whole square is equal to, the terms correspond to the other factors. So correspond to alpha square, you get ab minus c square, ab minus c square times, correspond to 1, you get ac minus b square, ac minus b square. So this implies a to the power 4 plus b square c square minus 2bc a square is equal to, so here also you do the multiplication, a square bc minus ac cube minus ab cube plus b square c square. So b square c square gets cancelled and you have an a square bc here and a square bc here. So if you bring all of them onto this side, so a power 4 plus ac cube plus ab cube is equal to, so minus 2bc a square goes onto that side. So you get 3a square bc. So you take an a common and cancel it on both sides. So you get a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. So this implies a cube plus b cube plus c cube by abc is equal to 3. So this is the general process by which we solve this question, but as you can see, you got the same answer by doing a direct substitution, observing the equations. So in JEE Mains, so this type of observations become important to solve the questions swiftly.